What's up? My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela. Sorry, forgot it for a second. And we're gonna be talking if deaf people can drive. I know this is a hot topic this is stressful within hearing people. Why wouldn't deaf people be able to drive? It's what you really should think about. Obviously they can drive. They're not blind. I don't know why people just think if you're disabled, everything doesn't work. Their ears just don't work. It's kind of just like anything else if you're hearing. Just because they can't hear doesn't mean that affects their ability to see or drive or not. They can still use their mirrors to see people next to them. Also, if you're hearing and you're blasting music and you can't hear around you, how is that any different? So yes, deaf people can drive.